By now, hopefully your kids have their Halloween costume, but do you?
If you're looking for a quick and clever idea, we're getting one right now. Amy Latta is joining us for Getting Crafty on this Halloween day, and she's showing us a great costume idea. And here she is now, looking good. French
I
toast.
love it.
French
It's so
toast.
simple and so adorable and so clever.
Yeah.
Tell everybody what you are.
Of course. So I can't resist a good pun ever. So I am French toast. And the fun thing about this is that you can also customize it because there's lots of things that we have that are French. You could do fries instead of toast.
Yeah.
Or if you're going to an adult party, you could do lips instead and you could be a French kiss. So there's lots of ways that you could do this. It was really easy for me to put together because I own like 3 black and white striped shirts.
Yeah.
Apparently that's something I just like in my closet. And so I went on Amazon, I ordered a red beret and a red scarf, and the only other thing left to do was make my toast, which was really simple. This is just felt and fabric. So I cut out the bread shape out of the dark felt and then did the lighter felt on top. This is a fabric that I thought kind of looked like jelly.
Yes.
So we just cut out wavies and then a little square for the butter. Hot glue it all together. I glued it to a string so that I could wear it around my neck. And then I can take it off and just be a French person.
Yeah.
That works. Yeah.
Ooh la la.
Of course, you brought a craft too. Wouldn't be a
Of
holiday without a
course.
craft from Amy. And
Yeah.
it's a ghost watercolor.
Yes. So this is my ghost watercolor painting, and I hope you all can see it because they're kind of pastel. I wanted them to still look ghosty.
Oh, yeah.
But the idea here is that you can make the watercolor effect using markers. So I used my Tombow dual brush pens, but you can use any kind of water-based marker that you have. So Crayolas will work for this, or anything that your kids have that's water-based. So all you're going to do is scribble that marker onto a non-absorbent surface. And what that means is something like a plastic baggie, where the ink is going to pull up on top instead of going down in. Then what you'll do is take a water pen, or if you don't have a water pen, just a paintbrush and clean water, and you're just going to wet your paintbrush. And then we dip into that ink, and what happens is the brush will pick it up, and then we use the ink to paint. So you can see how easy that is and how fun. You can see I'm just doing a little orange ghost here, and all it is an upside down U shape.
Yeah.
And and then you just let the bottom be a little bit wavy. So I've created a ghosty here. And for my artwork piece, I did 9 different ghosts. I did 3 rows of 3. You can do however many you want. And once the watercolor part is dry, we're gonna go back with a fine tip black marker and trace around the outside edge. And I like to do this twice because then on purpose, I'm not lining it up and I didn't have to do it perfectly.
Yes.
You know what I mean?
Yes.
Yep.
And then the really fun part is that now you get to add his face. And on mine, where I had the 9 different ghosts, I did 9 different little facial expressions. So think emojis, like all those fun little faces they make. They stick out their tongues, they have crazy eyes and eyebrows, and you just want to give each one kind of a different personality. So I used my pastel colors here so that they still kind of looked ghosty, but you can see it also works with the darker orange, the darker colors as well. So that's something that you and your kids can have fun doing.
It's
That's
so
awesome.
easy too.
Yeah.
It's so cute and easy.
Who doesn't like emojis? So now they're ghost emojis. So
Exactly.
I like it. I like it. That's cute. All right, now you're going to have more to show off in our second half hour. Remind us of your website, though, Amy, as always.
Of course, amylattacreations.com. Come visit me there for full tutorials on everything we're sharing today.
Awesome.
And as we say, we have more coming up.